The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Remember, when you walk pan, I'm tied. And when you work and cut and reap, remember your 10 fingers, the decker, it means who you pay tribute to. I am your king as long as you pay tribute to me. So the day you stop pay tribute is the day you stop worship. And the day you stop worship, you can't live yourself. Let me give you the understanding. When you have a landlord and the landlord say you rent my place, as long as you pay your rent, you can stay in peace. The day you stop paying your rent, you have to come out of yourself. Me have to talk it so no get what me I say. So when people said I can't pay my tithes, which is the worship, God's law said you must, by the sweat of your brow, you must eat bread.
Alright, my people, the voice that you just heard is from the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith. Some persons might also know him as the pastor who was involved in an incident that is being labeled as a cult church incident or a sacrifice church incident. You see me I said to you? So big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall, skilla. I'm there again. Now I have some information that I'm going to give you about the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith and about an incident where it is said that persons lost their lives at a church, you know. And I want you to please bear in mind that these informations that I'm about to give you are according to some things that I read in news articles and according to some things that I saw and heard in news reports, all right? And I wanted to also please bear in mind that some of the things that I'm about to say to you might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. So the grand aunt of the Montego Bay pastor said that she was shocked when she heard about an incident that involved the church that her grandnephew, Dr. Kevin O. Smith, operates in St. James. So according to a part of a news article that I read, I got the understanding that the grand aunt said, "Me dey in my sleep and dream say a white cloud and a piece of blackness just start swirl cross. My heart was beating fast and me wake up and take up my Catholic Bible and pray. The dream was frightening." Now for those who don't remember, Kevin Smith is head of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries. He and members of his congregation were arrested on Sunday, that would be October 17, year 2021, following what has been described as a blood-shedding ritual that claimed the lives of two persons. A third person was shot and killed after he reportedly attacked the police. Now, my people, this is where the whole thing gets even more interesting, because I also got information that the police have seized a laptop from a senior member of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Montego Bay, which contains details of a plot to kill 144 people as part of a human sacrifice. More information from the plot is that after 144 persons had been sacrificed, then senior members of the church would flee the island via by an ark. Yeah, ark. That's the information that I got, an ark. You believe it? So, when we got that information, viewers and subscribers, I started to wonder, where are they going to go after doing such a gruesome act? That is, if this plot is true. Where are they going to go? Is there a headquarters for persons who do these kind of sacrifices? And I also got information that someone from overseas, not in the country of Jamaica, but someone from somewhere overseas, is trying to raise funds to pay legal fees for Kevin Smith. So I wonder if that person know what kind of situation Kevin Smith is in. I wonder if the person have any understanding as to why Kevin Smith had been arrested by the police along with other members of the church. It is alleged that Smith instructed some of the members of his congregation to prepare themselves to be cleansed as they would be traveling on a heavenly journey. The members who were all told to dress in white, were told that they would be placed on an ark that was leaving at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. However, what unfolded was pure horror. A senior figure of the church slit the throat of a woman. Then the same senior figure of the church slit the throat of a man. And viewers and subscribers, there are more details to this whole thing, but I'm just taking my time and go through with certain informations and make you know wagwan. You see it? Anyways, listen now. Now I got information that Tanika Gardner, which is one of those persons who lost their life due to the unfortunate and very horrible incident that happened at the church on the 17th of October the year 2021 within Montego Bay. I got the understanding that she had made moves to make Kevin Smith the beneficiary on her life insurance policy. I got the understanding that she had taken steps to remove her son and her mother as beneficiaries on her life insurance policy, and that she had reportedly asked that Smith, who is her controversial religious leader, be installed as the beneficiary. However, I got the understanding that the process of adjusting the beneficiary on Miss Gardner's life insurance policy was far advanced but may not have been completed prior to her sudden death. Anyways, I got the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica raided a mansion that is owned by Kevin Smith, and the house is located in a upscale community of Hatfield Meadows in Ironshore, Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. I got the understanding that the house was searched by detectives from the Major Investigation Division. You hear that, my people? Yeah, the Major Investigation Division, you see it? I got the understanding that Smith accompanied the police to the location, viewers and subscribers, and there's more details to this whole situation. I'm just trying to give you the best understanding that I can about this whole thing, my people, is it? So, yeah, it is understood that Smith had been placed in police custody from the 17th of October the year 2021, and other members of the church had been placed in police custody from the 17th of October the year 2021, viewers and subscribers. So until I get any more information about this whole situation, this is where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I hope this was somewhat informative. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?